Hi, my name is Shamanpreet Kaur. My student ID is 30383476, and today I am here for the Sprint retrospective and digital presentation for the Sprint 2. As you know, my company is the Solar Amazing Solution Private Limited. We are doing the CRM project for that company. So first of all, these are few of my client details. So it's the project name, that is Enterprise Systems Project, and the lower down the project client information is provided. So the Amazing Solar Solution Private Limited is the organization. So the client name is Miss Tina Arora. We have provided the address, website, and the contact details also for this Amazing Solar Solution Private Limited company. Moving to the next, I will first talk about the team components, then I will explain my individual components. So first of all, the project background. So there is a very urgent, the lead generation is, there is a low quality of the lead generated at this Amazing Solar company. So they have the urgent need of they urgently require the system that could generate better quality, we can say the better leads, so that they can improve their sales. So new system will facilitate the lead generation process and it will provide the high quality leads. If we talk about the product details, so the CRM is one of the most suitable system to meet the whole client's need, whatever they require, whatever their needs are. So CRM is one of the best, we can say, solution for that problem. So it will streamline and automate the company's marketing, and it will also lead to the generation process. Further, the CRM will facilitate the automated collection of the lead demographic data, and it will also enhance the company's market funnel position and enable the qualification of the lead. So this is the Sprint 2 we are talking about. So we have started the Sprint 2 and on 30th of August, and we have ended it on 19th of September. So in Sprint 2, what we have done is we did the literature review, like we did the research methodologies for the qualitative, quantitative, and agile method. We completed a 2B model and entity relationship diagram. Further, we made the questionnaires, and further we conducted the survey through different sources. All the data have been collected from the questionnaire, and then we have analyzed it through, and at the last we have made a dashboard for that. So these are the user story and the accomplishment. So literature review is basically we are doing we are doing every week we are doing like 5 literature review by each person, every team member is doing this one. 2B model, so the 2B model has been completed by Akansha, my team member. Questionnaire that has been developed for the qualitative and on the basis of quantitative analysis. This has been completed by Grace, one of my another team member. So the qualitative analysis, that is to conduct the qualitative analysis so that we can totally collect the data and analyze the quantitative and qualitative analysis. This is being done by me, that's Shamanpreet. So quantitative method is done analysis, and the further the dashboard, or we can say the 12 flowchart is being completed by Kajal. And the whole written report for the project, this is the complete team project. So so every person is contributing in this part. So moving about, now I will talk about the individual components. So what I accomplished in the last, like in the past sprint. So I was in charge of designing the collection. So I did the qualitative and quantitative analysis. We collected the information, we made a questionnaire, then I analysis through it in the quantitative and qualitative method. So I automated the visualization of data by some summarizes from the Google data. So basically what we have done, we have send our the survey, the questionnaire survey. We did the survey through like different sorts of methods, like we did the emails, we contact the clients, we spread the, we send through the we send the survey through the messages, texts, emails, and we contacted the clients and they give us their response. According to their responses, we have like visualized the whole data, and we have basically posted their survey on the Google Forms. So I have collected all the data and visualized that data in the quantitative and qualitative method. So this is the evidence of my work that I have done. So these are like I have collaborated all the questions, few of the questions that we have presented in the survey. So I have collected the whole data here. So these are the, like we can say, these are the few analysis that I have done through the collected the after collecting my data, and these are few of the responses that I have collected from our questionnaire. That basically I have told earlier also that we did a survey. So this is the result of the survey. Like you can say, you can see how many how familiar are you with the solar energy. So 28 people responsive. We collected the 28 people response to this question, and here's the pie chart that I created according to that. So next is, which of the following benefit of the solar energy will make an impact on your replacing solar energy to your current energy supply? Similarly, again, 28 people respond to this question, and we have made I have made the pie chart for this one. Basically, I did the comparison of things. So like this is another two questions that I have posted, like for the work evidence. The next is how I applied stream specific knowledge to my project. So basically what I have done is in this one, the ability to companion process improvement and being well versed in the BPR facilitated the redesign of the current lead generation process. So the lead generation process has been redesigned in this one. So researchers skill facilitated the development of the questionnaire to facilitate the process analysis. So we developed a questionnaire and posted it on the Google Forms, and we have analysis the process, like we have collected the data and I have done the analysis of that one. So the next one is proficiency in Excel, helping in utilizing the data collection. So in this, I have collected that data from the questionnaire. Then I have deeply analyzed each and everything from that, and I made the I did it through like the quantitative and qualitative method. So two different ways. The last is the knowledge of the data analysis was the key in analyzing the collected data. So basically, the whole analysis that has been done for the collected data is being the knowledge of the data analysis. So data analysis is very important in this one. So I did the deep data analysis of the whole data collection from the questionnaire. What I learned from past spring. So this is basically the process of collecting and analyzing. I have learned that the process of collecting and analyzing the data is like totally time consuming. It takes a lot of time to do this thing. Our research report requires the accomplishment of clear and small goals. So basically the project requires clear and small goals that we can easily accomplish. So the next one is the research takes requires subdivision and distribution among the team member for the success. The third point I have learned is that we have to distribute proper tasks among the each team member so we can complete our sprint on the time, and or I can say that we can complete our whole project on the time. So the last I told you earlier that we did the literature review. This is very important part for the research project. So literature review, we do the literature review in every week. So it is very important. What could have gone wrong in the sprint? So first thing is the placing. So placing higher value on the individuals and interaction rather than on the processes and the tools. Communication. So communication is very important everywhere. So if we will communicate with each other, then only we can sort out those things. So communication towards a scrum master, communication is very important. Involving the project owner, it is also very important so that we can make the things more better. We can get to know what we need to improve, where we need to improve, what is wrong, what is right, so we can do it, then we can make the things right. So this is all from my side. Thank you so much. I hope you would like my presentation. Thank you.